This is what I think Judy Geller would have. Everyone would be making these giant sandwiches. Simple cucumber and tomato. Simple cucumber and tomato salad. Toasted piece of sourdough. No mayo. Just turkey and a little gravy. To Judy Geller. Oh! And she'd have a glass of white wine. Pinot Grigio. Judy Geller likes it simple. To Judy Geller. Next! Jack wanted onion rings. What does Monica do? Monica bakes some onion rings for Jack, her dad. This is Jack's version of the moist maker. No stuffing, no cranberry sauce, just turkey, lettuce, mayo, onion rings. And a moist maker in the middle. Let's take a bite. Oh yeah. Zeta hates gherkins. Jack loves gherkins, just like my dad. Ugh. One more bite, we've got 2 sandwiches to go. Jack Geller's moist maker Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. Next! Of course, Ross needs a glass of milk. Ross's sandwich, much like his dad's, doesn't have cranberry sauce or mashed potatoes. And unlike his father, he didn't want the onion rings. He wanted French's. French's! And like his father, Ross likes gherkins. Oh, I don't like gherkins. This is crazy. No lettuce for Ross. Wow, let's take a bite though. Here we go. Ross's moist maker. Oh, that's it. I almost choked on it. It's so crunchy. Look at a glass of milk. Let's take a second bite. Ross Geller's moist maker Thanksgiving leftover sandwich. I will say, it is true. That piece of bread dipped in gravy really does make the sandwich moist. Final bite, we have 1 sandwich left to do, Monica's. Ho 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 ho. This is the Geller family leftover turkey sandwich marathon. Oh, that's so good though. Ross is like a milk. Move that out of there. Next! Before we hit the sandwich, I've got to take a bite of some mashed potatoes. Come on. That is so good. I think the French fries should have been going this way, so when I cut the French fries in half. Didn't happen. I can't remember the last time I actually had chocolate milk. Monica's Moist Maker. I don't even know what I'm saying. Monica's leftover turkey sandwich with a Moist Maker, French fries, lettuce, mayonnaise, stuffing. Let's see if we can take a bite. I flipped it. Here we go. Oh. I need chocolate milk. Wash it down. That is good with the chocolate milk. I thought it'd be fun to make the whole family's leftover turkey sandwiches. Whereas Ross says, Monica makes the most amazing turkey sandwiches. Let's try another bite. Because we're crazy! This is the whole berry cranberry. My father loved the jellied cranberry. I'm not sure how I feel about it. And I don't think the sandwich that Ross took to work the day that his boss ate his sandwich, I don't think there was cranberry on it. My father's favorite leftover turkey sandwich was just turkey and mayo. You know what's going to happen? And I'm sorry, I'm wasting bread. I'm probably going to scrape all of that into a bowl. That's what I'm probably going to do. You know? So thanks for joining me this
Saturday.
You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. Holy moly. Just a couple of pieces of onions. There you go.
I'm not drinking.
Take another bite. They're crunchy. Did I say thanks for watching? I forget now. I'm bugging out, man. Fried onions and chocolate milk.
Calling Dr. Bombay. Calling Dr. Bombay. I think I'm having cardiac arrest.
Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.